Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a virtual background for your Google Meet on your Chromebook. So as you can see, now I'm using Windows, but if you use Chromebook, it's the same way, same method. All you have to do if you want to get a virtual background on Google Meet, you can access the Chrome Web Store first. Here in Chrome Web Store, you can discover your extension, themes, and also supported app that can enhance your experience using Google Apps. So for the virtual background, you can find the visual effects for Google Meet. This one, visual effect for Google Meet. So you can install this one. Click it. So you can click add to Chrome and add extension. So visual effect for Google Meet, you want to make your Google Meet and Hangouts meeting more lively. You can make yourself look different on these video calls on Google Meet today once you install these extensions. So you can in this visual effect work for Google Meet app include adding fireworks, adding dog ears to your own face, making black and white contrast of your face, and so on. And also you can try to download like visual enhancement, or you can download this extension virtual backgrounds for Google Meet. You can add 3 more. So you want to use different background when you are in online video call using Google Meet or Hangouts Meet. So you can switch off the web camera inside the Google Meet call and switch it back on for virtual background to work, and so on. Just click add to Chrome. Now you can add this feature into your Google Meet. So here you can install this extension. After install the extension, click on this icon on the toolbar, this one, and click to activate virtual background, and here, this one. So click to activate virtual background for Google Meets. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.